So I'm getting ready to do a quick tutorial and just share with you guys my curly hair routine. Since the pandemic has gone everywhere and we've been home, honestly, I haven't really been doing much self-care. Like, I've been taking showers and doing the normal hygiene stuff, but I haven't really done my hair, done my nails, or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is get in the shower and wash my hair, but I wanna show you what I'm gonna be using to wash my hair. So I'm gonna be using Cantu Natural Hair Cleansing Shampoo. This is only $5 at Target. And then also the Hydrating Cream Cleanser. So I'm gonna wash and condition my hair, and I'll be right back with the results of that. And then I'll do my hair routine. Okay. Just got out of the shower. Honestly, the best shower of my life. I'm in my vanity closet area. I finally cleaned this area up, so I'm super happy. This time, I organized all of my beauty items, so like everything is so pretty and all cleaned up. You can't see it, but it's pretty. I'm happy. I'll show you later if you guys want a tutorial or a tour of my vanity. Okay, so I really only use a few products. I use this, the leave-in conditioning cream by Cantu. Like I said, I use all Cantu products right now. I am open to venturing out. I just wanted to show you what I do and what I've done since I got my hair cut last August. And then also I use the Cantu moisturizing twist and lock gel. Okay, so I also use a water bottle. I use a continuous spray water bottle, but it's missing somewhere. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the one I use for Roman, but this is what I'll use for myself today. I also use a Denman brush. I got this one from Target. Cantu. This one's also made by Cantu. I like it. I have a few of them, one in my travel bag and one for home. And then the last thing I use are these babies. I also use these clips. This is to hold my hair back, especially like my bangs and stuff. I'm not sure how this is gonna look. My bangs are growing so fast. I need to get them trimmed. I may look up how to trim them myself because of all the social distancing. But in general, I use this to hold my bangs back. All right, so the first thing I do is I just go ahead and let my hair down. It has grown a lot. It was like right here before, but now it's super long. My bangs are long. Everything's long now. The first thing I do is go ahead and separate my hair how I want it to be styled. So I kind of find out where my bang part is at. There we go. Okay, so this is the part that's gonna be bangs for me. This is all I got here. This section was a lot bigger before. But okay, so now that is done. Then after that, what I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair. So I'm gonna spray my hair all throughout and make sure it's all wet. Okay, so sorry Jay's in the back, but it's okay. So basically what I'm gonna do is after my hair is completely soaking wet, then I just take the Cantu leave-in conditioner and apply it to my hair. It's very important that your hair is completely wet when you're applying this. So I'm just gonna take this much and apply to my curls. Just gonna rake it in. And make sure every piece is covered with the product. Okay, then this is where the magic happens. Basically, you start to take your hair section by section and Denman brush through your hair. And this is super important and tedious, but it is worth it. So basically the technique is what I do to define my curls, because if it just dries like this, they're going to be, it's just going to be, each curl isn't going to have its own life. So what I do is I take a strand section of my hair out like this, take the Denman brush, and make sure my hair is wet too. Has to be wet with the product in it. And then you take the Denman brush and you comb it to the side, up and out, and you let your hair fall. That's it. And then you keep going all the way around your hair. I'll show you one more time. So you take the hair, as you can see, take the hair, make sure it's full of product, go comb up. Oh gosh, ooh, it's a little tangly because it's longer, but ready, up and out. Okay, cool. So now my hair is all styled up. Next is I'm going to do the same thing with my bangs. And my bangs just get a little bit more attention because it's the front, and also they're short and they need to be fluffy and cute. So I give it some wetness, get it wet, and then I put just a little bit, really just like a little bit, just enough on my hands, and put it onto the hairs in the front. So the front section, I do not Denman brush. I actually finger twist in my hair. And so I just make sure my hair is super wet in the front. And then I kind of break everything apart and start finger twisting. So I'm going to start from the end. And I just keep going like so in the front. And I do the front like that because I can separate each curl as much as I want. And it makes my bangs more fuller, more funner. When I put my hair in a ponytail on top, it's cuter. So this is a jelly consistency. It's water-based, which I love. And I just take a little bit, put it on my hands, and I just begin to touch my hair with the gel. That's it, just barely touching it, not trying to manipulate the curls at all. Okay, hey y'all, I had to move into the bathroom because this is where I blow dry my hair. I have my remote so I can watch stuff because this usually takes about 10 or 20 minutes to do. So let me tell you what I use. So I just use a normal, this is my first blow dryer I ever bought. Actually, I don't know where my other one is. I have another one that's better than this one, but you can use any blow dryer just as long as you have a diffuser. I picked this up from Amazon. Every item that I have shown you to date, including the spray bottle that I'm missing, will be included in my Amazon store, and so I'll put a link on the description box below for you guys. So basically, this is a universal diffuser, and you can change how much air goes through or not. And basically I put the blow dryer in and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna go and plug it in. And the key is, oh boy. So basically, let me just show you my routine and how I do it, YouTube. So basically, I hold my blow dryer like this because it's easier for me to maneuver. Basically, what I'm gonna do is going to blow dry my hair in circular motions without touching my hair, okay? Once I begin to feel that my hair is completely dry, then I'll move in and I'll start moving my hair around to put some more like movement within my hair so it's not all, not crusty, but crunchy, so it's not super crunchy and it has that softness to it. Right now, I just look like I got a jerry curl, but I promise you this does change, and this is how I do my hair. Okay guys, we are 15 minutes in the drying. I'm touching and it's still wet. Looks like I did a really good job wetting and conditioning and putting the product in my hair. So that's a good sign. It means it's gonna last a really long time throughout the week. This is a week's worth of hairstyle. So I'm gonna keep going. I gave myself a little bit of a drink and a break. Okay, it's dry now. That took a while, so my hair was super wet. Also, I like deep conditioned it and gave it all the love that it needs to be great, so it's probably why it took so long to dry. But okay, so this is where I am before I break the cast on the gel. It still looks wet, but I promise you it is dry now. I've checked so many times. So next is the fluffing and the breaking of the cast. So the first thing I do is make sure my hands are completely clean. So I wash my hands first. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and break the cast. So I'm just gonna take my hands and just scrunch with my own hands